Red's Kitchen. Today I'm going to make you a very delicious and refreshing tomato juice. Okay, first I wash my tomatoes, then I strip them. Okay, then I pour them in the blender. I'm gonna add some water. Then I'm gonna add my lemon juice. Okay, and I'm going to blend. Okay, so this is our delicious tomato juice with lemon. Okay, so I'm gonna pour some. Then I'm gonna sweeten with a little honey, but if you want you can use sugar, but I'm gonna use a little honey. Okay, so this is the delicious tomato juice, and you can always put it into the refrigerator to chill. So I am going to have a taste. Wow, this is delicious and it is refreshing. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Yvette's Kitchen. Live, love, laugh, and enjoy your meal.